My dear students of class 8, now we will start our new chapter from Yakthung Sapsok book, page number 32, topic Satling, meaning in English credit, written by Bishnu Satling. About the poet Patum Samila Sammaren Nisum. Name Bishnu Maya Satling, pen name Bishnu Satling, hailing from Hipangbe, West Sikkim. She has been awarded and felicitated by Chemjong Literary Award in the year of 2019 by SYSSC. She has a lot of contribution towards language and literature developments. She has been continuously writing since her young age. Her Limboo articles have been published in different books, magazines, and school textbooks. She has also written and published in Limboo poetry books titled Surit. Collection of Limboo poems was published in 2018 and she has important role in various organizations for their smooth. Professionally, she is working in a post of Limboo graduate teacher. Oro samila sammele saptuba samila in ni rumang kusing ni tum tere so kiraba ni samsase. Akirik ningwa pema ang lava fangsi sigit nao agu perengwa nuyamang agat hat le kambek men on athak. Akirik ningwa pema ang senlen membate agu meting ising komrang amet hat le seseba mimre ajub. Akirik ningwa pema ang kunondu hukcho temsu ang yetma langhek ma yungma ahu hat le pa ma e ma ahu. Akirik ningwa pema ang mursop lenglo abo amo pa ma ni masakma nisam ahu hat le togi po ma kaun abi. Akirik ningwa pema ang Makogo banu sese basokmare wahid nam theptura ningumha tharura hat le kuthakin ani o e yondu. Akirik ningwa phema ang tukhe wa o lungduk amet sukhe wa o tamdam wa abi hat le norikang kusing anit. Akirik ningwa phema ang sese ba sangsang ba kusong be mo nom nom mang asun ajing hat le ning minu tangsep amet agat. Akirik ningwa phema ang abange paren makhi mim kaun ha. Abange maren mim nu maban len thetlongin hat le kusut na le hingram he mo chaba kotu. Oro samila sammele pa makotuba isik che hema wa ne bograje ko mo oro thileng mikphula he mong kusing ni tum sarum. How to forget her who kept us 9 months in her wombs, who provide us a good health and so a beautiful universe. How to forget her without saying day and night, without worrying the problems, who give us an healthy loves. How to forget her who hold our little fingers and teach us a worksheet and to speak. How to forget her who make us speak, Ama and Papa, who teach us to remind, read and write, who always motivate us. How to forget her who make us sleep in her chest, who give us a gentle touch, who secure from enemies. How to forget her, our own father bloods and the relations, our own loves of mother and credits of our mother's language, who puts breath in our breathless life. Oro samila sammare pa ma isik pa je ko mothi ko tropo ne bograje the bograje arung mikphula ani rum membi ha le ani laba phangsi sigang hat le athemao agu ang ayung mo sigit na sigang ma ile agu pang ayung yamo perengwa yemo lame kon khambek men ha le onathak Ma ile on athak thiang ne bora and then ang patung how to forget her who kept us 9 months in her wombs, who provide us a good, healthy and so universe kira ba samdang je ha le mu ma ile je kon itnim ko tuba pung mu yamo the bora je akirik ningwa phema senlen memba te agup meting iseng komrang amet ha le se ba mimre ajup mu aro the bora je how to forget her without saying day and night, without worrying the problems, who give us an healthy love mo. Akirik ningwa phema ang kunondu hukcho ha temsu ang yepma langhek mayungma ahu hatle pa ma e ma ahu. How to forget her who holds our little fingers and teach us to walk, sit and to speak mo. Akirik ningwa phema ang mursot lenglo abo amo pa ma ni masama nisam ahu hatle togi po ma khaun abi bograje. How to forget her who make us speak, papa ama who teach us to read and write, who always motivate us mo. Akirik ningwa phema makogo ba gobano sese ba sokmare wahid nam thepturo ninguma tharuro hat le kuthokin anido yondu. Akirik ningwa phema ang tukhe wa o lungduk amet sukhe wa o tamdam wa abi hat le nori kang kusing anit. Akirik ningwa phema ang sese ba sangsang ba kusong be mo nom ang asun ajing hat le ningminu tangsep amet bograje aro the bograje. How to forget her who make us sleep in her chest, who give us a gentle touch, who secure us from enemy mo. Maybe. Akirik ningwa phema ang abange paren makhi mim khawun, abange maren mim no maban thetlongin hale kusutna le hingramo chaba ketu bhauraje. How to forget her, our own father blood and the relation, our own love of mother and credits of our mother language, who puts breath in our breathless life. Lorik se hat le patro sami la sammele patro po. My dear class 8 Limboo students, I hope you all will give your best on online classes, right? Ga okay itnim chongle and tadi yethat na biten mo yakfa pong lawa inga hutning benang kusing keni tumra waida maybe bang inga ningsang choka. Thema kusing menite kwai ne bhograje yamo kheni inga selap na mi yungma kesuka. Thede selap hawa ne bhograje selap yungma kesuktum. Dear students of class 8, if you have any confusion from this poem, then you may ask me without hesitation, okay? I'm always with you, my dear students. Thank you. Thank you.